Can I just check you before you go? Or have your alone time?
Why do you keep checking me? Whenever I just want space. Do you really think I'd try again?
Because if I don't, I might lose you for real next time.
You don't trust me anymore, do you?
No, I just don't trust the days when you feel too quiet.
I appreciate everything you do for me, my love. I'm sorry you're helping me heal from a wound we didn't even create. I'm really trying to be better for you.
Because I almost lost you once. That's why I check. That's why I panic when you say you need space.
I don't deserve you, but I need you. I'm sorry you're carrying a pain you never caused, but I swear, I'm trying. I really am.